Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here.
Starting with pricing, efileMagic uses a fully transactional, pay-as-you-go pricing structure with no mandatory annual subscription. Costs are calculated dynamically based on the number of forms filed, the specific form type selected, and which optional services are enabled. Users can choose federal e-file only, combined federal and state filing, print and mail services, tin matching, or Excel-based filing, and the price updates in real time as quantities or options change. Per form pricing decreases as filing volume increases, which makes larger batches more cost-efficient for accounting firms and payroll teams handling seasonal spikes. Optional add-ons such as print and mail fulfillment, tin matching, USB address validation, IRS 1220 data file generation, and Excel upload capabilities are priced separately, allowing businesses to control total spend with precision and avoid paying for unused features. This structure is ideal for users who want upfront price visibility before submitting returns and who prefer avoiding annual commitments or tier upgrades entirely. In comparison, efileMyForms also follows a usage-based pricing model, but with a simpler presentation focused on per-order pricing by form type and delivery method. Pricing varies depending on whether users select e-file only, e-file plus print and mail, or ACA-specific delivery options. Volume discounts apply within each order tier, but discounts do not always stack across different form types or services, which means users must plan submissions carefully to optimize cost. Optional services such as tin checking are priced per form, and additional per form processing fees may apply during peak filing periods or for late season print and mail requests. This makes efileMyForms flexible for smaller batches, but total cost depends heavily on how filings are grouped, timed, and configured. Moving into features, efileMagic supports a broad range of compliance forms, including the full 1099 series, W2, W2C, 1098, 1099 LTC, 5498 ESA, ACA, 1094 and 1095, and multiple supported state filings. The platform includes secure IRS, authorized e-file, encrypted PDF delivery, recipient electronic access with download tracking, bulk filing tools, and built-in validation checks designed to catch errors before submission. Users can import data directly from Excel or QuickBooks, manage multiple filers and recipients under one account, segment work across team members, and track submission status, rejections, and corrections across filing seasons. Security is a core focus, with AES 256 encryption, controlled access permissions, and compliant document delivery embedded into the workflow to meet IRS and data protection requirements. Looking at pros and cons, efileMagic's biggest strength is cost control and operational flexibility. Businesses only pay for what they file. Excel-based workflows are efficient for bulk uploads, and validation tools help reduce costly correction cycles. The trade-off is that enterprise-level reporting, advanced workflow automation, and guided compliance tools are limited, meaning users must already understand filing rules, deadlines, and form requirements without built-in advisory support. Switching to efileMyForms. This platform focuses on straightforward information return filing with an emphasis on simplicity and accessibility. efileMyForms supports common IRS forms including 1099 NEC, 1099 MISC, W2, 1098, 5498, and ACA forms with service paths for e-file only, print and mail, or ACA-specific electronic delivery. The interface is designed for users who want to file quickly without navigating complex configuration layers or enterprise-style dashboards. Built-in calculators allow users to estimate costs before checkout, and filing workflows are intentionally linear, making it easy to complete submissions in a short amount of time for one-time or low to moderate volume use cases. Feature-wise, efileMyForms includes IRS-authorized e-filing, recipient, print, and mail fulfillment, electronic recipient delivery, and basic validation checks to reduce common filing errors such as missing fields or formatting issues. Users can manually enter data or upload files depending on form type, and the system tracks filing status, acknowledgements, and rejections after submission. TIN checking is available as a paid add-on, and the platform supports ACA specific delivery options where required. While integrations, API access, and advanced bulk automation are more limited than enterprise-focused tools, the streamlined experience makes it approachable for small businesses, solopreneurs, bookkeepers, and first-time filers who prioritize speed over customization. From a pros and cons perspective, efileMyForms' biggest advantage is ease of use and predictability. Pricing is easy to understand, the interface is beginner-friendly, and there is no subscription commitment or long-term contract. It works well for businesses filing a limited number of forms who want a fast, no-friction experience with minimal setup. The downside is scalability. Advanced bulk workflows, multi-user collaboration, deep reporting, and enterprise controls are limited. Filing large volumes across multiple form types can become less efficient, and users must manually manage compliance decisions without guided or advisory assistance. Now let's talk ratings. efileMagic holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars, based on a large volume of reviews, reflecting strong satisfaction around pricing transparency, Excel-based workflows, bulk filing efficiency, and overall reliability during peak filing season. efileMyForms currently shows a much smaller public review footprint on Trustpilot, with limited reviews available. This does not necessarily indicate poor performance, but it does mean there is less third-party feedback to evaluate long-term consistency, especially for higher volume or repeat filing scenarios. Final takeaway: if you want maximum pricing transparency, Excel-friendly bulk filing, strong validation tools, and pay only for what you use flexibility, efileMagic is the stronger choice for growing teams and repeat filers. If your priority is simplicity, quick setup, predictable per-order pricing, and filing a smaller number of forms without complexity, efileMyForms can be a practical and accessible option. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more deep dive software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore both platforms and choose the one that fits your filing workflow best.